I'm Tiffany. I'm part of our marketing team here at Playwire. For the first time ever in our 15+ years of company history, Playwire is now offering our previously exclusive internal data as its own standalone solution to media buyers and traders.
We've utilized DMPs for 10+ years, so we have a lot of experience there. And then we built what we've learned directly into our publisher technology that we offer. So instead of relying on third parties and using their DMPs, we wanted to bake this in what we offer so that we can use it more seamless, make quick updates, pivot where necessary, and really make it the best it can be. We also built it from the ground up to use multiple different types of identifiers. So we have cookieless data, contextual data, and other signals that we already use. We use cookies because that's still available in the market, makes sense. But we're also incorporating maids and hashed emails. So we're really built in any direction that the market's gonna go, and we can really do this almost like as a best of all worlds, bring it all together to really produce the most accurate data and best data for our clients and advertisers.
What are some of the key and unique benefits to utilizing Playwire's data and custom segmentation?
There are a lot of really great benefits. A couple of things that we point out. One is just our experience in the field. We've been doing this for over 15 years. There's not many other companies out there that can say the same. So we have a great experience in understanding our user base, our audience. The other thing is, of course, as Playwire always has done, we exclusively work with our publisher base. So we have about 500 exclusive publishers, and on all those publishers, we have direct integration, again, through our proprietary tech stack that we offer, which, in a sense, results in the most accurate and most direct form of data collection there is. We're not repixeling campaigns that go out in the ether or whatnot. We are directly integrated into the publisher's page, and we actually take it a step further. For many of our key publishers, we even do direct integrations to get data from their backend, from their CRM, or anything that can pass us in that actually is not available on the website by itself. So we built a really robust data layer that supports our DMP with anything that the publisher can give us. Adding to that, we've built a great team of data experts across multiple divisions here in Playwire that make sure this is functioning properly, and that also our audience segments are continuously updated and refined and fed with data. So it's kind of a continuous feedback loop, if you will, which has led to, the generation of a lot of IAB custom segments, which we recognize is a good thing to have in market. Customized data, first-party data that is kind of standardized, as well as really unique custom segments to Playwire that you may not find anywhere else. That combo is really good. And lastly, I would say that we have a proven track record with our agencies and brand partners. We are not new to the data business. I think that's really important to highlight. We've just never made this data available externally for use without media activation on Playwire. So all the external possibilities that exist and all the brands that may or may not have bought with Playwire, they can now benefit from this experience that we have and from the data that we generated.
What kind of impact can access to this level of data granularity have on advertisers' targeting capabilities?
I think the key part here is not to look at data siloed, right? Everyone might have their own first-party data, but the value really comes into play when you combine this. It's almost like using an analogy to a star, to a galaxy, to a universe, right? Let's just say our advertisers, we know they have great first-party data due to their own relationships with their own customers. But that only tells a small piece. Playwire has another part of that customer, another part of first-party data that we know about their behaviors, their interests, their likes, dislikes, and so forth. If you combine that really is where the value comes into play, where you have information that a brand might have about a user and information that Playwire has. Combining those will achieve maximum performance on campaigns. And as mentioned before, we know our users very well. We have a history with our publishers. We have a history with our users. We have a decade of data, if you will. So we can use that to advantage to really generate something special here that is really better than anything out there in the market.
Finally, how can brands access this data?
So Playwire made it very easy for any brand to access our data and wherever they want to. So we are connected with all major DSPs. Just go into your third-party data section in your DSP, look up Playwire, you will see all our available audience segments. We are also on the LiveRamp marketplace. So if you're an advertiser that already has a LiveRamp account or another distribution platform that they are connected to, just request the segments that you'd like, look up what we have. We are also integrated into Google Ad Manager accounts, Google Ad Manager 360 that is, under the audience section, look up Playwire. And also if you're running campaign on social media, through the LiveRamp connection, you can pull in our audience segments and then run, let's say, campaigns on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all that. So really, it should be anywhere at your disposal, and we hope you make great use of it.
Thanks for joining us, Nathan. And for more information about our data solution, please visit our website.